Hello guys, good morning. Paano mag-delete ng Facebook account? Kung ang Facebook account nyo po ay na-open nyo pa siya at gusto nyo po siyang i-delete permanently, ganito po ang gagawin nyo. Pero kung ang Facebook nyo po ay hindi nyo na po ito na-open or na-hack, kailangan na po natin mag-report kay Facebook. Ganito po ang gagawin natin once na na-open nyo pa po ang inyong mga Facebook at gusto nyo po siyang i-delete permanently. Punta lang tayo sa ating Facebook. Click 3 lines. Scroll up, click Settings and Privacy, click Settings. Click natin ang Personal Details. Click Personal Details. Click natin ang Account Ownership and Control. Click Deactivation or Deletion. Dito guys, piliin nyo lang po dito ang inyong Facebook. Halimbawa po ito, click natin ito. Deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. If you want to take a break from Facebook, you can temporarily deactivate this account. If you want to permanently delete your account, let us know. So, piliin natin dito guys, ang delete account. Deleting your account is permanent. Click natin ito. Then, click continue. Click natin ang continue. Before you delete, we may be able to help. Spend too much time on Facebook. I have a privacy concern. I don't feel safe on Facebook. My account was hacked. Pipili lang tayo dito guys. So, piliin natin itong pangalawa. Then, click natin ang continue. Privacy on Facebook. Dito, click natin ang continue. Scroll up natin. Click natin dito ang continue. Dito guys, kailangan na po natin ilagay dito ang password ng ating Facebook account na gusto natin i-delete. Halimbawa ito. Po ang continue. Confirm permanent account deletion. You're about to schedule your account for permanent deletion. Once you schedule your account for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate. So, pwede natin siya guys i-delete itong Facebook account natin pero meron pa tayong 30 days para ma-reactivate ito or pwede po natin itong i-cancel. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content of or information you have. So, kapag lumagpas po ng 30 days, hindi na po natin mariretrieve or marirecover ang ating Facebook account na dinelete. So, click natin ang delete account. Ganun lang guys ang gagawin natin once na gusto nyo pong i-delete ang inyong mga Facebook account permanently. Pero pwede nyo pa siya guys ma-recover kasi meron naman tayong 30 days para ma-recover natin ang Facebook account natin na dinelete. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.